Looking for the best project management tool for freelancers between Monday.com and Plutio? You've come to the right place. Both of these tools have great features, but how do they stack up when it comes to actually meeting the needs of freelancers? Stay tuned till the end, because I'm going to tell you which one is really worth your time, and it might not be what you expect. First up, let's talk about Monday.com. It's a widely used platform known for its flexibility and ease of use. With Monday.com, you can easily organize your tasks, set up workflows, and track progress across multiple projects. But here's the catch: while it has lots of options and a sleek interface, it can get a bit overwhelming with so many features that you might not need as a freelancer. The pricing can also become expensive for individual users, especially when you add all the features you'll need to make the most of it. Next thing, let's move to Plutio. Plutio is designed specifically with freelancers in mind. It offers a one-stop shop for managing everything from tasks to invoices to client communication. It has a more minimalist interface compared to Monday.com, which can be a huge plus for freelancers who don't want to deal with unnecessary complexity. Plutio's pricing is also more freelancer-friendly, with a simple pricing structure that doesn't get complicated. But while it's easier to use, it's still not as customizable as Monday.com. So if you're someone who needs advanced workflows or integrations with other tools, you might find it a bit limiting. Now, let's talk about features. Both tools offer task management and project tracking, but Monday.com takes it up a notch with advanced project templates and automations. These are great if you manage multiple clients or projects simultaneously, as they can save a lot of time. On the flip side, Plutio offers fewer integrations, but for freelancers who primarily need project management, task tracking, and communication with clients, Plutio covers the essentials really well. However, you're not getting the full range of capabilities that Monday.com provides. The fourth thing to consider is client collaboration. In Plutio, you get a built-in client portal that lets you communicate, send invoices, and share files all in one place. This is a huge plus for freelancers as it streamlines the entire client management process. Monday.com does offer client-facing views, but it's not as seamless and can be a bit clunky for non-team members to navigate. So, if you need a tool that makes client interaction simple and organized, Plutio definitely has the edge here. And let's not forget support. Both platforms offer solid customer support, but Monday.com has the edge when it comes to the size and variety of its support resources. You've got a robust knowledge base, tutorials, and live chat options. Plutio, however, has more limited resources, which can be frustrating if you run into issues. So, which one should you choose? Both tools have their strengths, but after trying both, I'd say if you're a freelancer who values simplicity, ease of use, and client collaboration, Plutio is a strong contender. But if you're looking for a tool with more advanced features, deep customizability, and a wider range of integrations, Monday.com might be the better fit, though it might not be the most cost-effective solution for freelancers. Both of these tools are good, but after trying all of them myself, if you want a better alternative that truly streamlines the process and helps you focus on what matters most as a freelancer, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. It offers the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out.